Hello, I am a teacher, and today I am going to start a series of lectures for the teachers out there who are listening to me. And I would like to begin my lecture with the saying of Maria Montessori: "The goal of early childhood education should be to activate the child's own natural desire to learn." I am going to tell you or to teach the teachers out there what is a lesson plan and how we can plan an effective lesson in a series of lectures. I know the teachers out there is a lot of material available on the YouTube or on the internet which you can search to sort this topic out. What is different with my lecture is my lectures are specially for the teachers in Asian countries and for the teachers in Africa or those countries where English is the second language. Because for me, English is a second language, so I know what those teachers are dealing with. Out there. So let's begin my first lecture, which is the first part in the series of lectures, and it is about a lesson plan. A lesson plan, my dear teachers, is a step by step guide for a class. And before we go in detail, I would love to tell you that I have chosen English as a medium to talk to you, to communicate to you, because it's the language. It's an international language. A lesson plan is a teacher's step by step guide for a class. It shows exactly what the students need to learn and how the teachers will help them learn it. It lists important details like the subjects, topics, and how many class periods the lesson will take. I know some of you out there don't believe in lesson planning, but I assure you that once when you are going to do this series with me, you are going to learn the importance of a lesson plan. It also notes down the goals for the day and the materials or teaching aids needed to make the lesson successful. The plan also maps out the actual activities and teaching methods that will be used during the lesson. And my dear teachers, it includes a place to track schoolwork. You can track your schoolwork through a lesson plan, such as classwork and homeworks, to give students extra practice. At the very end, there is usually space for a quick overview or review to help the teacher see how well the lesson went and how to improve it next time. My first lecture is sort of introductory lecture, and in the next series of lectures, my dear teachers, you are going to get the rest of the information, which will include information about the contents of a lesson plan, how to plan a lesson. In a series of lectures, you are going to learn with me how you can plan your lesson, even if you are sitting at your home, if you are an online teacher, or if you want to pick up any subject and any topic, and you are going to be able enough to plan your lesson for your students according to their age group, according to their class, and I'll make sure that you are going to be an expert at the end of this series. And I wish you good luck as a teacher. Thank you.